How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. Let's show you on how you can add file geodatabase or .gdb to QGIS. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to click on the data source manager. It's going to be this specific button right here. And once inside, you want to select directory. For the source type, you want to select the open file GDB. And for the vector database, you could just simply locate the GDB file that you want to open. So in my case, I'm going to be selecting this specific folder. So in my case, it's going to be the AI related .gdb. You could just simply select your folder right here. Now from here, after making sure that you have selected the right folder, let's click on select folder. You want to click on add, and then there will be multiple. In my case, there's a lot of GDB file right here. So a lot of things popped up on my data source manager. I'm just going to click on add layers, click on OK, and then it will be added right here. So that's how easy it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching.